In this tutorial video, you will learn to list system files and add them to the map. The layers saved in the system are listed in the panel that comes up with the My Files button in the Data menu. When the button on the right of the listed layers is activated, the layer is added to the map. When the Delete button on the right of the layers is clicked, the layer is deleted from the system after the Show option is clicked in the notification panel. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.